Hello and welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the channel. This is Life of Lee. So basically just do a couple of videos mainly on my portfolio, but I do post the odd ones. I just refurbed a house, so that's on the channel. And I also dabble in a little bit of fitness, so might start posting more fitness videos, but for now we're sticking to my portfolio and becoming a millionaire. But today I made a video last week, I think, and that was on how much money I make via social media. This video is investing that money into the almost daily dividends pie. So if you are an OG on the channel, I started this at the start of the year, and the goal is to get the almost daily dividends pie from zero to £100,000 by just investing the money I earn from social media. So it's that time of month. Google has just paid me my YouTube revenue. So that's in my account waiting. We're going to invest that in a bit. TikTok has also put in money into my account. That's only £8, and recently they've made it a update by the looks of it, and we can only withdraw over the £10 limit. So I'm gonna have to wait before I withdraw my TikTok money and invest that. But today we're gonna dive into almost daily dividends pie, see how it's doing, and then invest my YouTube revenue into this. But currently, as you can see, the pie is sat at £1,184. I invested 1,200, so we're currently down £28, so that's about 2.34%. Currently got £3.52 sat in my cash, and that is waiting to get reinvested. Unfortunately, it doesn't get reinvested straight away because it's such a big pie. It needs to have £50 cash in the pie. Pretty much because there's 50 companies in the pie, you need to invest a minimum of £1 into each company. So as you can see here, £1 is the minimum investment, and that's basically 50 quid. So unfortunately, I can't invest that. It's just got to sit there for now. But let's go into the holdings and see what I've got so far. So a couple of them are doing pretty well. And you see there, Apple currently up 17%. That is nice. Realty income is still down 10%. That's slowly increasing. Johnson & Johnson, that's up. PepsiCo's up 3%. AT&T's down just under 19%. McDonald's is up 3%. Caterpillar's down 2%. Ooh, look, that's up 19%. Not bad, not bad. British American Tobacco down 10%. Lowe's is up 3%. Walmart's up 5%. Ecolab is up 10%. Chevron's down 11%. Prospect Capital, that's down 15%. That's up 13%. So what is the highest we got? So we got a 13%. 10, a 3, an 18. So Cardinal Health is the top performer this week. Like I said, it is up currently 18%, returning me so far £4.50. And then the worst performer Let's do this all over again. Reality income 10%. AT&T 19. That is possibly the worst, I think. $11, $15. So yeah, it looks like AT&T is currently the worst, sitting at 19% down. So that is minus £4.60. So pretty much AT&T's down 19%, bringing me £4 or losing me £4.60. And then the top performer, I'm up £4.53. So I'm still down 10 pence pretty much in that portfolio. So they've basically, the top and the bottom have basically equaled out on that, really. But yeah, that's pretty much the almost daily dividends pie. Like I said, auto invest is turned on. How long have I had this now? 6 months. So I don't know if I should rebalance the pie just yet or wait out for a year, maybe keep it for a year and see how that goes. As you can see at the top here, they're still pretty balanced, really. There's a couple, like that one there is a little bit high. That's a little bit low, but so far there's nothing crazy standing out with the balancing. So I might just keep that where it is. And there you can see my goal there is sat at basically 100k. That is my goal. If I keep investing what I'm going to invest in, I'm projected to get 8k by the end of, or after 8 years, it says. But that's the issue. That's pretty much me investing. What have I got investing? So that is working out £50 a month. So if I invested £50 a month until 2031, that's how much I would have added into the pie. But obviously, like I said, that's £50 a month. This month alone, I'm going to invest pretty much £140. That's how much YouTube paid me yesterday. And like I said, waiting on TikTok, that's going to be £10 minimum, so £150. So this month, I'm going to be investing basically 3 months of payments into this. So if I can do that every month, obviously this will change. This is obviously just based off my monthly deposits, which obviously doesn't happen because the payment method is my free funds. And I don't have anything in my free funds. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. So like I said, every month is the goal is to invest 150 or over £100 at least 2 months every month. That would be pretty spot on. And hopefully I can reach that goal as I go. Actually, while I'm here, I'll show you the dividends that it pays out. So how often it pays out the dividends. So yeah, as you can see here, yesterday, Prospect Capital paid me 17 pence. McDonald's paid me 11 pence. Stag, 7 pence. Reality Income, that's a separate one. Main Street, that's a separate pie. Agree Reality, 7 pence. 9 pence, 23 pence, 16 pence. 11 pence, 23 pence. Microsoft, that's a separate one. Johnson & Johnson, 14 pence. Legal & General, that's a separate investment. 5 pence. So you can see here pretty much every day. So obviously that was the second and the 5th. But obviously on the second we got 1, 2, 3, 4 dividend payments. So that would bring basically like the 3rd, the 4th, and then the 5th. So it basically works out, you over the year, you do get pretty much a dividend every day, really. So like I said, you've got 4 payments there, but obviously spread them out over the days, then you do get dividends. But pretty much these are the dividends. You can see how much they're rolling in. £10, 10 pence, 10 pence, 10 pence, 7 pence, 21 pence, 9 pence. So it slowly adds up. As you can see here at the bottom, so far this year I've earned a total of £38 in dividends. That is just the 6 months, so it's the end of June, almost 1 more week left. But what we've all been waiting for is me investing my money. So let's get into it. So like I said, Google or YouTube paid me £140. So that's getting invested, and obviously the pie's free cash, that £3.52 will be invested as well. So that'll be added onto this. I will be adding a total of £143.52. Here is a breakdown of how it's going to work out. So it's pretty much going to work out 2% on each one. So £2.87 will be invested into all 50 companies. So like I said, just shy of £3. Like I said, if I had that money from TikTok, that would probably be £3 into all the companies. So that is pretty much, obviously they ain't open yet. The New York stock market is still closed. So when that opens up, the pie will automatically buy those stocks. But as you see here now, the daily investments is slowly buying. So train 2 and 2 is buying my investments for me. So again, hope this video you liked it. This is just a quick one. I say quick one, it's been running 12 minutes now. An update on my almost daily dividends pie and how it's looking so far. So again, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button if you haven't already. And also, if you ain't subscribed just yet, please hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We've just passed the 600 mark, so we are almost there. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.